बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 24 मार्च 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है ब्रिटिश डिप्यूटी हाई कमीशन कराची। द ब्रिटिश डिप्यूटी हाई कमीशन इन कराची इज़ इन्वाइटिंग एप्लीकेशंस फॉर द पोजीशंस ऑफ HVAC टेक्नीशियन. As part of the Technical Works Group TWG, the Heating, Ventilation and Air Conditioning HVAC technician will be responsible for installing, maintaining, repairing and servicing certain equipment and facilities including air conditioning systems and units, central cooling system, water cooling systems, air ventilation systems, air purifiers and refrigerators. The applicant should be able to take minor decision with limited impact related to work at hand. Job holder will be expected to maintain, repair and troubleshoot equipments as per given FCDO standards, guidelines and schedules. The applicant should have good English language skills in reading, writing and listening. For job specification and further details, please visit our website https://tinyurl.com/wbjwyfhx. Applications closes on 1st April 2024. अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है। फौरी ज़रूरत बराए सऊदी अरब बाइक ट्रांसपोर्ट वर्कर 01 बाइक राइडर, उम्र 21 था 35 साल। गूगल मैप चलाना जानता हो और इंग्लिश बोलचाल जानता हो। सैलरी 2200 रियाल प्लस रिहाइश, मेडिकल ट्रांसपोर्ट बजरिया कंपनी अल अवी ओवरसीज कंसल्टेंट। लाइसेंस नंबर OPHRD/3560/KAR/2000 2014। परमिशन नंबर 2387029। ऑफिस 021348909993 021348909993। मोबाइल नंबर है 0331285699 0331285699। ऑफिस नंबर 7 ग्राउंड फ्लोर करीम प्लाजा, सरशाह सुलेमान रोड, नस SSGC बिल्डिंग और सिविक सेंटर, ब्लॉक 14 गुलशन इकबाल कराची। ईमेल visa@alawiconsultant.com। स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जॉब है। एक्सलेंट करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। स्टेट बैंक ऑफ पाकिस्तान SBP, द सेंट्रल बैंक, इज़ लुकिंग फॉर टैलेंटेड एंड एनर्जेटिक कैंडिडेट्स फॉर द following OG7 position based in Karachi. Job title OG7 Director Department, Legal Services Department. Application procedure. To view details about job description, eligibility criteria including age, qualification, experience, other attributes and online link to apply, please visit https://www.sbp.org.pk/career status.asp. Last date of application submission is April 8th 2024. Applications which are not in accordance with defined requirements in the advertisement will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. We are an equal opportunity employer. Females candidates from minorities, transgender persons and persons with disability are encouraged to apply. Job opportunities. Applications are invited from retired armed forces personnel as per detail given below. Serial number 1, nomenclature of the post. Number 1, Director Scrutiny, BPS 19. Number of post 1. अच्छा, place of posting anywhere in WAPDA formations within Pakistan. Eligibility criteria है retired colonel/lieutenant colonel or of equivalent rank from armed forces, age maximum 50 years और कोटा है open merit. दूसरी सीरियल नंबर है पोस्ट है डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर सिक्योरिटी, BPS 18। 2 पोस्ट हैं, नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट और क्वालिफिकेशन है रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द आर्म्ड फोर्सेस ऑफ द रैंक ऑफ मेजर और इक्विवेलेंट Preference will be given to those having experience in the relevant field, age maximum 48 years. Note: the appointment shall be on contract basis initially for a period of 1 year, extendable on satisfactory performance of the individual and requirement of the organization. General conditions and instructions: only eligible/shortlisted candidates shall be called for test/interview and not EA/DS shall be admissible. No further age relaxation is allowed on in prescribed age limit. Age will be calculated as on last date of receipt of applications. Original documents must be presented by the candidates at the time of interview. The candidates who have been vetted out of service on disciplinary grounds as well as dismissed or debarred for future employment are not eligible to apply. Applications carrying incomplete/incorrect information or received after last date shall be rejected. Any information/documents found bogus at any stage during induction or later in service will result in termination thereof. The applicants should be medical category A. Project allowance shall be admissible on posting of at projects. The services on contract basis shall not be regularized. WAPDA reserves the right to withhold/cancel the recruitment process at any stage without assigning any reason. How to apply? Prescribed application form is available on WAPDA's website www.wapda.gov.pk. Candidates shall submit application forms duly filled in along with curriculum vitae, CV, copies of CNIC domicile certificate, academic certificate/transcripts, both sides of matric, intermediate, graduation, master, etc. experience letters/certificates, training certificates, NOC from Geometry department where working. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है if applicable retirement orders containing SOS/SOD issued by MS branch GHQ and 2 multiplied by recent passport size photographs directly to director recruitment B for box 26 WAPDA House Lahore through courier/postal service within 15 days of publication of advertisement. For any information/query, candidates may email on dgrect@wapda.gov.pk or contact +924299200483 +924299200483 Director Recruitment WAPDA B for box 26 WAPDA House Lahore. Phone number 042992000483 042992000483. Website www.wapda.gov.pk. Donate for Timer Basha and मोहम्मद डैम्स। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।